It's your girl Renee, and I am working on my deck chairs that I had in the backyard on my deck, and you can see that these chairs need some serious help. So what I've been using is just a piece of this steel wool, and all I'm doing is scraping all this rust and all this dried up paint that has been just accumulating over the years. So I'm going to just scrape all this stuff off until I get it nice and smooth. And as you can see, how all this stuff like this stuff right here, I got to get all that off. And I just take the steel wool and I just scrape on it, and it just falls on this paper. So you got a big piece like right here, see? That I have to take all off. All this right here. All this old paint and whatever they put on here. Well, I've had these chairs for like, I don't know, have to be over 10 years. So trust me, these chairs have been well loved and well used. So I'm just going to scrape all this off, and look how smooth it looks once it's, I've scraped it all off. It's super smooth, and that used to have all kind of paint and stuff on it, but scrape all that off and get it all off. And then let me show you what it looks like when it's all done. This is the paint that I used. I used this Krylon, this Color Max, and it has the paint plus it has the primer in it. And I got the color of satin leather brown. And then let me show you with the chair. This is the before. Look how rusty all that is. That's the before. And check this out. This is the after. Isn't that beautiful? Just look at that. All nice and smooth. You couldn't get a better chair than that. So Miss Renee is getting that chair all together. Alright guys, just wanted to bring you a little quick video, let you know exactly what I've been working on today. And let me get back to it, because I have 2 more chairs and then I have the table to do. Alright guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you're having a blessed day. And I'll see you in the next video. Soon, Miss Renee will be sitting in this beautiful chair. Alright guys, take care. Bye-bye.